Hey, Joe.
You are my black queen, no so pure. Your melanin so sweet, it bring me joy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, come and join the familiar. So today we're going to be making some food. You're going to be cooking with me, so look at the food. My cameraman's a bit slow. So if you want to see how I made all of this, carry on watching. Right. So I started off by washing my chicken. I feel like I don't have to tell you to wash your chicken. Just wash your damn chicken, you nasty. I use a lemon juice and some salt. Put it in, rinse it out a few times. And then I go ahead and marinate it. So I've washed the chicken. And now I'm just going to cut it into... I think I've already done it all. So it's just me trying to explain shit. So yeah, what I've done is I've cut it. So it was like a wing. Like this, and I've cut it into two separate pieces. I always pull faces when I'm dealing with raw meat because it's just raw. I'm gonna make like barbecue and sweet barbecue chicken basically. I'm lazy when it comes to marinating, so this shit's gonna be easy. So I'm gonna use this bowl. I've actually never used this before, but because usually I just use the classic barbecue, but I'm gonna use this. It's the New York Steakhouse barbecue sauce. It's got like chunks. Let me see. I'm gonna put. I've only got like that much left. Measurements where I'm just gonna put all of that in there. It's got like chunks of like little bits of pepper. I think. Don't quote me on that. Peri peri seasoning. A little bit of salt, black pepper, some honey. This is all the seasoning in. I'm gonna cover it up and put it in the fridge for around an hour while I prep everything else. Yep. Carrots and cabbage. I've already cut this stuff up. I feel like I should have used a bigger bowl. Should I get a bigger bowl? Let me get a bigger bowl. So after getting a bigger bowl, I completely forgot to press record again. So the coleslaw was made. All I did was add the fucking potatoes. No, the carrots and the cabbage. I put salad cream in, a little bit of mayo, and then I also put like some caster sugar. So I put the peppers and the onions in, let them cook a little bit, then I'll put the mushrooms in so then they can all cook together. So they finish cooking at the same time basically. So I'm gonna put all of them in now. And listen, I know it says one spray in that. It's supposed to be one spray. Use at least 5. I have to put it because I don't want the food just, I like hearing that. You know what I mean? So yeah. Listen, if I sprays 100 times, it's only 100 calories, right? Yeah. When your rice is like almost cooked, right? I bet you're thinking, almost cooked, like we've not even seen anything. Why did my phone just like not record anything? I remember pressing record on this shit because I showed you me washing the rice, me putting water into the rice, me putting butter into the rice, me flavouring it with spice for rice. But yeah, I did all that, and then we're here now, so let's carry on. We're gonna get some foil, put it over it like so, and then cover it again until it's fully cooked. Yep. This is what this is looking like at the moment. It's almost cooked, and then like once this is done, I'll legit just put the rice in there, flavour it a little bit more, and that's the fried rice done. It is so quick. I should have let it sit a little bit longer. It's a little bit sticky. A little bit too sticky. I'm going to put in some sazon. I don't know if you can get this in the UK. My mom usually gets it from America. So I think I'm going to put 2 in here because it's quite a bit of rice. And this shit tastes so good. If you can hear this noise in the background, it's the dishwasher. I love sticky rice, but I wasn't wanting to make this sticky. I'm one of those people, right, who adds parsley to everything because it makes me feel like I'm that bitch. So yeah, we're gonna parsley a little up in here because it makes the meal look like, you know, it's a bit bougier. So I'm also gonna make mac and cheese, and I'm using, I just touched, okay, and I'm using Why Bleach. We're cooking with bleach. Why Bleach? His name's Why. Is it Why Bleach? Yeah, Why Bleach's recipe. But I'm gonna put parmesan in mine. He doesn't put parmesan in his, but I'm gonna use that recipe. I've only ever made mac and cheese twice before. First time it was popping. Second time was let's see what it's like this time. Heat oven to 350. My oven doesn't go to 350 degrees. Why is this in American? It's in Fahrenheit. And I got convert shit. Ugh. They didn't have macaroni, so I just got the spiral. It's like macaroni but with curls. Be careful not to overcook. Look at the back of the packet to see how long you need to cook your pasta for to reach al dente. My packet don't say anything about al dente. It says, right, 10 to 12 minutes to cook. I'm gonna cook it for 6 minutes, half the time, maybe 7 minutes, and then I'll just take it out. Add milk to the partially boiled pasta and leave to cook until... You what? Okay. 2 says boil pasta, and then 3 says add milk to the partially boiled pasta. But how much milk am I putting in?
Milk, oil, butter, stir the flour, and then add milk. Then to make a roux so it becomes a bit thick, and then you add your milk. Add milk to roux. Yeah, and then you add your cheeses in that, and then it should get thicker. And then you add your seasoning in that. Sweet like Indomie.
The rice is done. It's a bit sticky, but I like my rice sticky. My mum hates it when it's sticky, but I'm the one cooking, so they said that they. What did you say it was? Just good. Just good. Just good. Animated progress. It's delicious, guys. It's popping. I wish you guys could try it, but I'm gonna try not to keep tasting the food because I want to eat it. Like when I'm doing the mukbang, and be like, and when everything's together, it's gonna be. You weren't there when I was struggling out there. Me and Ratatouille were out here together. I've grated the cathedral cheese and I've grated a little bit of parmesan. In here I've put in, so it's just all like the season. I've put black pepper, garlic and onion salt. I think it was 1 tablespoon of onion salt. No, 1 teaspoon of onion salt, sorry. 2 tablespoons of garlic granules and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I'm gonna melt up this butter. I don't know if that's al dente yet or under al dente. On the instructions it says add milk and then cook until al dente and then it's cooked. So I'm not gonna measure this. I'm gonna put some milk in there and then just let that cook so it's like thoroughly cooked. This pan just takes time to do what it needs to do. Bangers on this mix. Wow. Because of how much black pepper I put in, it's not like white anymore. So I'm just gonna put all of it in because the recipe is supposed to be for all of this. I'm gonna put some of the parmesan in there. I'm not gonna put too much, I don't think. Should I put in this one? Ah, yeah, this is a good size. Sounds like. Drink some 4 cheese blend and some mixed herbs and black pepper if you want. Ooh. Jesus, take the wheel. Some mixed herbs on top. And then it says put in here for 30 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. While that's cooking, I'm gonna start cooking the meat. I've sprayed the grill with the, where is it? With the 1 cal spray again. It's on. It gets hot so quick. I'm spraying more just because I can. Oh, you look good. The mac and cheese is looking immaculate. So look. Bitch, smile for the camera. I said, oh, the crunch is gonna be stupendous. Yes, stupendous. So all we have left now is the chicken and the corn on the wok. Alright, I say ya. Keep doing what you're doing. The corn and the quab is done. I'm just putting butter on it. And I'll put a bit of salt as well. I don't like putting too much salt in food. I don't like people to put as much, like, you know, like to their taste buds. This is the mac and cheese, the rice, the corn of the cob, the wings, and the coleslaw. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend that Cravy is on the scene, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.